Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. Today we are going to be looking at a summary. What is a summary and how to do a summary? Okay, so there'll be two parts. I will be explaining to you what a summary is, and the second part will be a practical lesson where I actually show you how to do a summary. Let's get straight into this. So, what is a summary? Some of you may be thinking, well, a summary is when you're taking someone's work, maybe they've written maybe 4 or 5 paragraphs of work, and then you are taking that work and you are turning it into your own words. You're making it smaller. So it's like a smaller version of what someone has written. You are summarizing what someone has written. You're not going to write all of the detail, but just the key information that you think is important. So in other words, you're making what someone has written into a smaller form. You're making it easier for someone to read. So if someone reads your summary, they will know exactly what someone else has written because you've put the key information in your summary. All right, so key thing to remember that summary, you're summarizing, you're taking the key words or key facts, what someone has written, and you are rewriting it yourself, but in a shorter form. It makes it easier for the person to read, right? Now, key things to remember here, when you make your summary, you may want to think about when, what, how, and why. Think about these words. These words can help you help make your summary. Okay. When you make your summary, don't forget of your paragraph structure. You still need your topic sentence. Tells the reader what your paragraph's about. Then you'll have your supporting evidence, and then you'll have your concluding sentence at the end, which summarizes what you are saying. Okay, so let's have a look at how to do a summary, and we'll have a look at a good example of a summary. See you soon and take care. Hello everyone, great to see you all again. Right, so let's have an example of making a summary. So as you can see in front of you, you've got an example of a piece of text, right? Now it's in 2 paragraphs, as you can see, right? And it has quite a lot of information in these 2 paragraphs. Now remember, when you are summarizing, think back to what I just mentioned. You need to take the key points, right? The key information out of the original text and rewrite it. Okay, you want to make it shorter, you want to make it simpler. All right, so you can see there's a lot of information. This topic is about sharks, and in particular tiger sharks, right? Obviously in the ocean, right? So you can have a look at that. There's quite a bit of detail there that goes into what tiger sharks are, and how they behave, and so forth, right? Now, if we want to summarize this text, which I'm going to show you now, I'm going to simplify it. I'm going to make it more simple for the reader to read, so they can just quickly get the main idea, the key information from the reading text. So let's have a look now at the actual example summary of this original text. And there we have it, right? That's the example, right? So as you can see there, I've summarized the main points in that reading text. So for example, tiger sharks will eat just about anything. They use their sense of sight and smell to hunt. Their pointed, serrated teeth and strong jaws are helpful when breaking shells and even human bones. Unlike the great white shark, the tiger shark is more aggressive after taking a bite. The tiger shark probably won't swim away contentedly, but will continue to a tag. So now that summary there, as you can see, it's giving you the main points, right? The main idea, okay, that the reader really perhaps needs to know, right? You are making it easier for the reader to read by giving him the key information. So you can compare this to the original text. Let's go back and you can see how I have modified that. I've simplified it. I've taken out the key points, but I've left all the major detail there in the actual 2 paragraphs. Okay, so that's your example of making a summary, right? Okay, everyone, thanks for your time, and as always, take care and stay awesome.